Everyone, my name is Sunil Yadav. In this lecture, we are going to discuss what is the constant in Kotlin. So, how we can use constant and what is the benefit. So, basically, constant, if we declare some field as a constant, right, that means compile time constant, like compiler know at a compile time. If the value of a read only property is known as the compile time, mark it as a compiler time constant using the const modifier. Such property need to fulfill the following requirements, like it should be part of top level or member of an object declaration or a companion object. So this is the constant we need to take care. Initialize with a value of type string or primitive type. So whatever we are declaring constant, we must need to declare and define. If we are not defining it, that compiler give error. Okay, so these are the basic thing we need to know about constant, like values that do not change, are available at compile time, are not calculated during program execution, right? So once we define the constant, they are not going to get the value at runtime. Okay, and we need to follow the naming convention, like the way here we can see constant, and then the naming convention should be uppercase and separated by underscore. So let's try to declare, just create one file and see how it's work. So I'm going to create one file, constant. Okay, and here I am going to say just main print something. So we already, like I already told you, it should be top level or is part of object or companion object. So let's define here is const value, like we can say URL link at google.com. Okay, so this is constant we declare, and we can use here we can print ln, we can print this value URL is $URL link. Okay, now if we try to run it, it will going to work. So let's wait for a few seconds. Now it's trying to compile. So now we can see here URL is coming like google.com. Now it's printing. Suppose if we are not defining this value while initializing, so we can't do that this way. It's giving the error, right? If you see, this error is saying property must be initialized. So first we need to must initialize, because this is compile time property. It's not going to define at runtime. It's reinitialize value. So this is constant and how we can use it. So that's I wanted to cover in this lecture, and this is very useful, right? Suppose if you want to declare some value in compile time and declare the constants, like we have some URLs and we wanted to declare with the constant, that will be useful. And we can also always take care all the characters of the variable name should be uppercase and separated by underscore. So thank you so much for your time. Please subscribe my channel and share your feedback. Happy learning.